Yeah, hello, my people, my beautiful people in the house. It's your girl, your friend, your everything, Lady Jail. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my people? Go and subscribe so that you'll be hearing more and more news in this my channel here. So thank you everybody. As soon as they subscribe for me, God will bless you. God will bless you. He will bless you. Yafu. So thank you everybody, my people. This video when I just see today, the thing just shocktalized me really. This guy we just go me himself for Isaiah River. The thing it shocktalized me, my people. Really, I just that is this time when they say me everybody stay inside house. Now somebody can still comment like seriously, my people. One of they see they use una sense, una brain sometimes now. Stay at home. Una can still come out. They say they celebrate Easter Monday. Like seriously. Okay, if you want to celebrate and I say River, you go celebrate him. This guy. I don't understand. Which guy play una can they play now? Okay, when the other guy the video. Which guy play be that one? Okay, that one the video they say, oh yeah nah. Maybe they say, oh yeah nah. He just they praise the guy, they praise him for Isaiah River. You will know say you not sabi swim. What do you go do for there? That's as I be now. I don't sabi swim. I not the near river. Talk about say they go there when I know say I don't sabi swim. What you can make you now? Can't go river now. Say now river now. Now you want for go swim now. My people, when I just see the thing there, it shocked me. When I just see him, I say, "I God do." Now so this boy just take me himself like that. Now so you just say you want to end them. Even this time when they see me everybody day inside house. Now you can say you want to go celebrate your own Insta for Isaiah River. At the end you can't be me. My brother, you too do this one. You too do this one. Even when the guy self, even they talk when they talk inside the river, if they play, if they follow them, they play. At a time when the water don't cover them, if they struggle, the other one just see the video, they follow and they laugh. Maybe in the feel say na joke, I be with my people. In the feel say na joke, somebody they die they go. In they look and say na joke, my people. The thing just shocked me. Which can't see this boy just go by himself, just meme himself like that. I don't just understand. If friends the boy with the video, that one can be the highest. The highest. You the video person, you say the person that instead when you go follow the other boy, go carry the guy for the river. They direct that one. I want to carry him. They direct him, say carry on like this, carry on like this. Later, he says blood. He say he be like say the boy blood they come out for your nose. My people, I beg me we see the why it be say Nigeria people, Africa people will not the hear word. Why? Oyibo will be saying that they can't even like river pass. They say obey the law. They not come out for his ass. All of them, they inside house for now. As they tell the same way they stay house. Our Africa say no, say they can never stay. Say they not go stay now they can't swim pass. You when you know, say you know sabi swim. My brother. And so you just say end your life. When I go surprise now, say na him be the breadwinner for us, so you don't go pay me yourself now. You don't go pay me yourself just like that. My brother. Why you just end your life like this now? What will make you just end down like this? So inside house now, na not fit stay. How many months, how many weeks remain person go dey stay inside house now? Go do everybody go start to the come out again. But obey the law. Obey the law, because if we both say this one, say Africa again. That's what they go talk. They'll say Africa again. Maybe they obey law. Maybe they obey law. Maybe they obey law. Just see what is just happen to this boy. Now, this boy, he do well for this thing when he do now. I wanna think say he family now. go dey feel now. Eh? This time where they say me nobody come up for inside house. Now you can say now you want can go swim. My brother, you too do this one. You too do this one. Oh, this one at the highest of it. Where you just do so. Eh? When I just see the video, I no feel even wash am. God to Africa people, how person go they talk to now one I go hear word. How person go they talk to now. How person go they talk to now one I go hear word. Eh? My people. I don't say some of them go just see the video because that kind of video not be video person they say he want evil show. Eh? That kind of video not be video person will say he want evil show. This is just shockalize me. Man show na small. Mona just see waiting this boy use the hand take also my people. See, I don't know whether una they see the tea way. Yeah. Yeah. If friends they hail am. Una no see am well sha. The thing too bright. And Mona just they listen to their talk. Because the thing too bright. Yeah. What they see me everybody dey house. Well, they see my people. See how the boy dey side the river. Oh. See, the water don't carry the boy. This one see the hail am. You see the hail am, they say, oh yeah now. Person they remember they go. You see they say, oh yeah now. You see, I bet they don't drink Ogogoro, my people. You see, person the guy they remember they go. That one you see they say, oh yeah now. Oh yeah now. I'm not sure say this is friend, they okay. This one where they video. See, the boy don't remember. You see they say, oh yeah now. Oh yeah now. See, the boy they strong go. They say, oh yeah now. Oh yeah now. Person see, una just see the thing. Una just say this boy they okay. Eh? Now they come to say something they happen. You see? You say me carry your head come outside first. Instead when you for follow that boy go help and him they direct. My people, that's why I was showing original. I will say you get some kind of video with person not video put for YouTube like that. So I just to show like this, you know. My people, when they see him, if you see they say oh yeah nah, somebody they die they go they say oh yeah nah. Me I don't understand the kind of way some of our people they do sha. I don't just understand them really. Person they die they go they say oh yeah nah. Like seriously? Like seriously? My people, some of our people, I don't understand them all. I don't just understand them at all. I don't understand the way the way they say the reason. Somebody they me. As you can say, you know, hear your voice again. You're not supposed to. So, as the point they even they struggle for that river like this. You're not supposed to quote say, "I be something they happen." You see, they say, "Oh yeah, nah. Now that boy even they vest me pass for inside." See, everybody stay at home. You even supposed to come out for inside house. You even suppose we can't be saying now you want to come out for inside house. God pass for now, really. God really pass for now. We also rest in perfect peace because it don't happen. It don't happen. There's nothing anybody can do about it. Just for us to talk and make some people to get some advice. Say now they say stay at home. I don't know see what I put to this our brother now. So if you know say you where they wash me now, you know sabi swim. I beg. I use God where they able to beg you. Not go swim, oh. So that mean you not go see another thing, oh. Not go swim. When you know say you know sabi swim. When I see what I put to this our brother, and I may not happen to una. So now make me the talker, my people. I beg. I use God where they able to beg una. Not go swim, oh. When you know say you know sabi swim. So now so I talk this matter reach today. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time. And remember your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you and bye. And always give my video a thumbs up. Thumbs up, please. And anything you think about this video, just leave your comment for the comment section. What did this our brother do? If he good or he not good, leave your comment for the comment section. Bye everybody. Bye.